When it comes to spot repairs, there's two common ways to approach it. One, color the repair in and then clear the whole panel to take care of the dry edges, or color the panel in, clear, and then use a blender to melt in those dry edges. When we get these repair spots colored in, I'll be back to show you how to do each. After coloring in your repair spots, you're going to have dry spray around the perimeter of the repair. You can't just clear over those dry areas, because then that clear is going to have a dry edge. The solution is to clear the whole panel. The same goes for this area. The dry spray is right about here, so we're going to use this blender to melt that dry edge into the old paint. In this situation, where we're going to use the blender on the last coat of clear, where the dry edge is, we're going to melt that in with this blender. In review, the two most common, easiest ways to do spot repair is one, like this bumper, color your spots or primed areas, then clear the entire panel to take care of the dry edges. Or two, like this plastic trim, we colored in the primer, cleared to about right here, then melted in that dry edge with a blender. I hope you enjoyed this video on two common, easy ways to do spot repairs. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.